Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to add a optimized drive content menu in Windows 10. So how to do this, let's start. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start it. Okay guys, first of all you can go to your search box and type reg open a registry editor and right click and run as administrator. So open it. After that, first of all expand the H key class root. So scroll down and find out a name as drive. So here you can see data drive. So after that expand it. After that you can select a share, expand it, right click and new and add a key. So set a right key name is DFR GUI. After that select it, right click new and add a string value. So string value, this name set out is a MUIV in capital letters and after that ERP. After that open it and value data set is optimized drive. After that right click new and add a string value and set out a name is icon. I is capital. So open it and set a value. Data is dfrgui.exe. Sorry, once dfrgui.exe. Press OK button. Okay, so after doing this step you can select a name is key is a DFRGUI, right click and new and create a new key and type a name is command. After select it and after doing this step open a default settings and you can set a value data name is dfrgui.exe. Press OK button and close the registry editor. After doing this set, now you can see that optimized drive is added in your Windows 10. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.